Well, hi folks, you join me on a wild camp. Well, not so much wild, I'm down at one of my grass fields, and got the tent set up, managed to get the car down here and unload that, so I've got some real nice stuff to bring down with me. So big thunderstorm behind us, it's been kicking off and rumbling, but it's not extreme camping. This is just a way of life really for people that have done camping for a long time. Thunderstorms roll in, bad weather rolls in, you just deal with it. You'll see a lot of videos on YouTube with these extreme weathers, but yeah, it's just a thunderstorm. So I'm glad it's going that way, so it shouldn't dump too much water on us later on, because we've got some nice food to cook. And yeah, it's nice to be back out. We haven't done a camp for a while. Just come back from North Wales, which was lovely. Climbed a couple of mountains and just had a great time. So yeah, but I'll leave you with some of that, see if we can get some more of it going over, and then I'll show you my little tarp tent setup that we got, and our food later on. That's it. That's camping, wild camping, whatever you want to call it. Don't overcomplicate it. I've got my shorts and t-shirt on. It's bloody hot, and yeah, I'll leave you with that. So yeah, I'm using the Nightcat trek pole tent. I did a review on this. It's such a good tent, really easy to put up, and absolutely fantastic. And we just had a hell of a rain shower come over, so I'll just show you the little setup inside. Undo this. I should have given it a shake really, but it doesn't matter. Hopefully this weather will get a bit better later. So we've got a double air mattress in here. It's a smaller double, it's not a full size one. You probably could get a double air mattress in here if you wanted to, for two people. And that's the setup. All in, base layers and extra clothing. For anyone who wants to know, I'm using the Osprey from Ramir's. I've had this bag a couple of years now. I bought my chair in because it was raining, and yeah, top tip for you: if it is raining, you've got a chair, just bring the cover in. The frame doesn't matter if it gets wet, but you don't want a wet chair all evening sat on. And yeah, that's the Osprey sleeping bag. I've been using that for all winter. So yeah, wow, it's absolutely fantastic down here. But glad that bloody rain's gone. But do you know what? You see all these YouTube channels now doing these extreme camping videos and extreme weather. But if you're experienced and you've been camping for years, you just realise that the weather gets bad and you just got to deal with it. You know, you've got in snow, you've got in rain. I've had all four seasons. I've camped on top of mountains in 70-80 mile an hour winds. You just got to be prepared. You just got to have the right kit and go and enjoy it. You should never have to battle with the elements. You shouldn't. You should be part of it. That's part of the journey. Whenever you're going wild camping or camping, whatever you want to call it. Is it wild? I don't know. To me, it's just camping, you know. I don't know any different. I know there is camping on campsites, and I've occasionally indulged in that, and it's quite nice to have the showers, the toilets. There's no rights and there's no wrongs, but it's very hard to go true wild camping anywhere in the UK. I mean, Dartmoor, I suppose. You've got Scotland, you know, even North Wales, but there's always places that are around, lakes and peaks. But yeah, it's how individuals' experiences are with camping. You know, yeah, if you're battling with the weather, then you need to adjust your clothing, and you need to adjust your approach to that environment. You know, use your environment to your advantage. That's what you do. And yeah, so this is like extreme camping. Thunderstorm gone right over the top of us. Heavy rain just happened. I'm still in my t-shirt and my shorts. And you know, when it does, just jump in the tent so you don't get wet. You know, and the sun will come out later. Cook some nice food. You know, and if it gets really bad weather, I'll just lay in the tent, read a book, and I'll enjoy it equally the same. Yeah, so that's it. This is Fog 360 Extreme Camping. So I'll have to do a custom kind of thumbnail, won't I? Extreme camping with a lightning bolt or something hitting me, I don't know. I may just do a picture of me tent. But yeah, it's good to be out. And can't wait later. We're talking about doing a really nice long walk, and then it ends up at the local village pub. So that'll be quite nice, won't it? And a couple of pints. Come back here, do some camp cooking. Got my Jetboil. I've got Jetboil pans and pots, and I'm going to try some different stuff. And yeah, it's still warm. It's muggy weather. I've gone from storm, thunderstorm, and now I'm in tropical rainforest kind of weather. It's musky. It needs good thunder and lightning. Oh, we've had the thunder and lightning. What else could we have? I don't know. Whatever it throws. But yeah, it's just hot, sticky, muggy. So definitely have to have 2 pints, I think, to cool me down a bit. I'll get back to you when we're doing some camp cooking. This is extreme camping from me. Guys, I've got to say, just, you know, while I'm here, thanks for sticking around on the channel, and thanks for the thumbs up that you do put in the comments. I really enjoy reading them, and you know, I love getting back to you guys. And it's really good because most people that watch my video are my friends. So, you know, a pigeon. Seen pigeons, seen buzzards, seen a fox. Brilliant. And then you're going to see a pint later. I'm going to need to pick some wild herbs for our cooking later. And yeah, a bit of a foraging trip. However the day plays out. As long as this weather passes. Yeah. So yeah, that is our food all done. Bug crawling on me. And yeah, it was lummy. It was really nice. And that's us for the evening. Like I said, probably just going to sit down, chill out, watch a bit of YouTube in the tent later. Got the tablet, I can use that. And yeah, enjoy the evening. Absolutely turned out beautiful after that storm and the rain. We walked down to the local pub, like a 4-mile circular walk. Really nice, beautiful, and nice to catch up with some old people on the estate. And then we're back. It's really nice. So yeah, that's us. Life doesn't get much better than this, does it? Living your best life, that's what they say, innit? And I'm certainly doing that. Well, good morning. Got up, had my breakfast. We're going to start to pack down. And a bit of cloud coming over. They give rain this afternoon, so hopefully I can dry the tent out. It's pretty dry now. It's a really quick drying tent, so it's great for backpacking. Obviously, you don't want something you got to hang around with. You can unpeg it and just hang it up. It's literally easy peasy to dry. And gonna do that. So thanks for joining us on this one night wild camping, or whatever you want to call it. Luxury camping, glamping. And yeah,
See you next time.
See you on the next one. Remember, stay sharp.